Okay, welcome to another Clear Natural Spas video. This is the Cove C500 retreat. As we approach it, we can see this white stripe on the corners. That's actually a backlit feature, which I will show you a bit later on in the video. It's a nice bright sunshiny day today, so we can't see it very well. Okay, so let's have a quick look around the spa. We've got a 5-seater spa. We've got one seat there, two, and then three along the bench seat at the back. Okay, this is a single pump spa with 2 speeds with a diverter system. Okay, so at the moment we're running pump 1, speed 1, with just water coming through the jets. We can then put the high speed on the pump, which currently is all around the spa, so all the jets are switched on. We have air controls like this one. If we watch what happens to the water, that adds air to the water flow, venturied air, to increase the massage effect. That control does that seat. We've also got one for this seat here, which is located just to the side. We've also got a air control here, which is for the large jet, which is the Whirlpool jet. We'll come back to that one. And then we've got the air control here, which runs the air for the bench seat. Switch that on there. Okay. So I'll just pop the air back on around the spa on each of those controls. Okay. And then the next feature I want to show you actually is the Whirlpool jet, which is located down underwater there. And this is part of the diverter system. So if I come around and physically grab hold of the jet down here, and I twist it, rotate it, you can see I've switched the jets off on these 2 seats and put all of the pump power into the bench seat. Okay, if I rotate this big jet again, I switch this bench seat off, and probably more importantly, put the power into those 2 seats, the 2 main seats there, so you get really good massage. And again, if I'm to rotate it again, then we switch off all of the jets around the spa, and we just have this enormous Whirlpool jet, which pumps water around the spa. And then we simply flick it back, and we're back to where we started with all the jets on. And this air control adds air to that Whirlpool jet that I just showed you. So as we come past, we've got, touched on it earlier, we've got fabulous colour changing lighting, but I'll show you that in a separate video. You can see a bit more. This tub is also fitted with CoverMate 1 Eco. This is optional extra, which just helps aid the opening closing of the cover. Just makes it that easy. And then opening it is the reverse. And it does sit in that position on the back of the spa, so you can use that for wind protection or privacy. Just touching on some of the other features, if I turn the jets off and down for a second. We've got the waterfall, if you saw at the back there. And all of the jets as well are adjustable. So if we look at these, we can rotate the jet to change the power of the jet. We can also poke our finger in the middle of the jet to angle the water flow in the direction that we want to. This seat has got a seat full of small penetrating jets. The seat over here has got more of a, if I switch the air off, more of a rotating jet, so more of a shimmering type massage jets. That's just a quick look around this great tub. If you want to know any more information about it, give us a call on 01684 276 555.